Yo, what's up? Kenny from Kenny and Miles. I will try to upload this on both channels, but to make this quick, more packs. Pendulum Evolution. I have scissors. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. And just cuz. Cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this. Alright, let's see what we get in here. I have no idea what's in these packs. Oh crap. Might have cut it a bit too short. Cut it again. Cut again. Took that long to open a pack. I am so sorry. Alrighty. Black Fang Magician. Star Pendulum Mage. Dragon Post Magician. Noble Dragon Magician. Oath Dragon Magician. They all seem to be shinies. Whether any of these shinies are worth anything, I don't know. I'm not really expert on that stuff. Let's see. Really, scissors? Do your job. This pack just does not want to be opened. I don't know what's wrong with it. What? Hey? Hold on. Another Black Fang Magician. Another Star Pendulum. Stargazer Magician. Odd Eyes Fusion. And Odd Eyes Absolute Dragon. Yes, he drew me.
That's SpongeBob, guys.
Well, if you see all this, we got an Absolute, Odd Eyes Fusion. We got all that. Like this, leave a like down below, and as always, bye-bye.